In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a ticket in Jira. Deleting tickets is something you'll generally want to do with care because once a ticket is gone, it's usually gone for good. This walkthrough will show you exactly where to go, what to click, and what to double-check before you confirm the deletion, so you don't accidentally remove something important. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira account and that you have the right permissions. In many teams, only project admins or certain roles are allowed to delete issues. If you don't see the option later in this process, it might be a permission issue, not that you're doing anything wrong. Start by navigating to your service project where the ticket lives. In this example, we're going to the support project, then into the queues view, and then choosing the queue that shows all open requests. The exact project and queue names might be slightly different in your setup, but the idea is the same. Go to the Service Desk project, open the queues section, and then pick the queue where the ticket currently appears. Once you're in the correct queue, look through the list of open tickets and click on the specific ticket you want to delete. This opens the ticket's detail view on the right side or in a full page, depending on how your Jira is configured. Take a moment here to confirm you've selected the correct issue. Check things like the summary, the reporter, and any key details to make sure you're not about to delete the wrong one. With the ticket open, move your cursor to the area where issue actions are listed. This is often found under a three-dot more menu or an options menu near the top of the ticket. Click on that options menu to reveal additional actions. In that drop-down, look for the delete option. If you see it, go ahead and click delete. Jira will not delete the ticket immediately. A confirmation dialog will appear. This is your last chance to review what you're doing. Read the confirmation message carefully, and if you're certain you no longer need this ticket or its history, click Confirm to finalize the deletion. After you confirm, the ticket will be removed from the queue and from your project. If you refresh your queue, you should no longer see it listed. If you still see the ticket, double-check that the page fully reloaded. And that's all you need to delete a ticket in Jira. Open the right project queue, select the correct ticket, open the options menu, choose Delete, and confirm.